Alright, what we have here today is a Cobra 29 LTD Classic. This is a vintage radio. It was made in the Philippines, February of '98. It does have the 1969 final in it. Radio works extremely well. It does have a modulation swing kit installed. It has been peaked and tuned, and your CBPA switch is talk back. Pretty clean radio for being a vintage.
Audio. Hello.
Got really good swing. It's pretty early Sunday morning, so there's really not a whole lot going on out there, but it is peaked and tuned, aligned. Super modulation swing kit, 1969 original final in it. Radio dead keys 2 and swings 25-30 watts. Nice, strong radio. If you want to add a linear to it, it's already tuned for it, man. Just hook it up. Dead key 2 watts is perfect. Swinging 25-30 is perfect for a small 200-300 watt linear. Is what it is. What you see is what you will receive. Really nice radio. Receives really good. There ain't nothing going on this morning. Really nice radio. Get out nice and strong. Is what it is. What you see is what you will receive.